Welcome to Leo's Playtime! Hi Leo!
Hi.
What are we gonna do today?
Pokemon video.
We're gonna watch a Pokemon video. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty, 1, 2, 3.
Red Pokeball.
Red Pokeball.
Orbeez.
Ooh, there's blue Orbeez. What is that?
Blue. Pikachu.
Ooh, there's a Pikachu on there.
Like a bubble gum.
It does look like a yellow bubble gum. Oh!
Put it in the microwave.
Put it in the microwave. We're gonna cook it.
Soup.
Soup. Yep. Oh! What happened?
Pikachu.
Pikachu hatched.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Yeah. Wow, look at Pikachu's happy. Woohoo! Oh, he's dancing.
Yes. It's orange. It's a red Pokeball.
Another Pokeball.
Charmander. Charmander.
Ooh, it is Charmander.
Red, orange.
Orange. Okay.
Like a dragon.
Oh.
Oh, oh.
Oh, we're putting it in the microwave. Oh, soup again. Woohoo!
It's magic. It's my tomato chicken wrap.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Orange. Ah, wow. Look at his hair at a fire.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, fire! Woo.
Bah. Bah. Super cute.
Oh, what's next?
Yellow.
Yellow.
That's Pikachu.
I wonder who's next.
Blue.
It's a blue ball.
It's Squirtle.
Is it Squirtle?
Yeah.
It is Squirtle. Are you ready for the magic to happen? We're putting it in the microwave. Woo.
Yay!
Woohoo!
I don't.
Squirtle, Squirtle.
I Squirtle.
Squirtle, Squirtle.
It's green.
Green. Yeah. Okay, let's see who's next. Oh.
What's that?
What is it? Who is it? Who is it?
What's that?
Who's that? Is it Bulbasaur?
Yeah. Bulbasaur. Yeah.
Ah, it's ready. It's Bulbasaur. Is it Bulbasaur?
Yeah.
Yes, it is Bulbasaur.
Look at green.
Yeah.
Pink.
Pink.
Last one.
I like the color pink.
Me
Oh.
too.
Is it going to be Jigglypuff?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
Put the microwave.
Okay, let's close it. Oh, let's press this button.
Pikachu.
What? No. It's not supposed to be Pikachu. It was Jigglypuff. What happened?
Jigglypuff.
I don't know what happened to Jigglypuff.
It's not Jigglypuff.
No.
It's two Pikachu.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue.
Blue. Orange. Pikachu.
EMOJI.
Bulbasaur. Pikachu. Woohoo!
Look! Squishy balls.
Ooh, I like squishy balls. Purple. Look at that. Ew, that's gross.
Gross like slime.
Yeah.
Pink.
Pink.
Like slime. Slime.
It's purple, then it's pink.
Slime. What's it do?
Ooh, squishy ball.
Oh.
Oh.
Red.
Red.
Is it chicken?
It's a tomato.
Tomato. I don't like tomatoes.
You don't like tomatoes?
No, it's gross. You like tomatoes, Mama?
Yes, I like tomatoes. Oh,
It's red.
it's gonna get eyes. Ew, it's gross.
Wow.
This is so squishy.
Squishy. Tomato. I like
Squishy tomato.
tomato.
Pink.
It's a pig.
Is it a pig?
Oink, 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 oink.
Pink. Piggy.
Oink.
Piggy like Peppa Pig?
It's like oink, oink.
Oink, oink. Oh.
It's squishy. It's pink.
1, 2, 3, you.
It's pink. It's water. It's
Yeah,
water.
it's water inside. Looks so squishy. Squishy balls.
Ah!
Ew.
Green.
Gray. Ooh, that looks cool.
It's. What's that?
Is that an egg yolk inside?
Yeah. The
Looks like
egg.
an egg.
Yeah. It's the egg. Yes, the egg.
It looks like an egg inside.
It's squishy.
Squishy, nice squishy.
It's a
And squishy.
Hello.
Squishy bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubbles party. Oot,
Yay.
oot, 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 oot. The bubbles.
Yeah.
Egg.
Oh.
Okay. Orange.
Yellow.
Orange. It's orange.
That's not an orange.
No.
It's yellow.
Orange yellow.
No, that's not an orange. It looks like a maybe a lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Lemon. Ah! It's sour. Look, look, look. It's white.
Yeah.
It's super sour.
It's a super sour lemon.
Yeah. My sour stuff.
2.
Lemon. No. Yeah. What's that?
Oh, orange. What is it?
Ice.
It has eyes.
The mouth.
Does it have a beak? Is that a chicken?
No, it's Angry Bird.
It's an angry bird.
Yeah.
A squishy angry bird.
Those squishy Angry Bird.
It's so squishy. Ew.
Why is scratched?
So many bubbles when you squish it. 1, 2, 3. Ew.
Ew. Check, check.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Squish
You
down.
squish them, all of them together?
Yeah. Oh! It's squishy. It's big.
It's a big
squishy ball.
squishy. Yeah, big squishy ball.
Pink. Tomato. Red.
The
Squish.
pig and the tomato. The pig and the tomato. Ew.
Oh.
Oink oink.
It's Sticky.
Yeah, they are sticky.
I'm done.
All done. Wow, Leo. That was a cool video.
Yeah.
How many stars do you give this video?
4 stars.
4 stars?
Yeah.
Why 4 stars?
But Jigglypuff missing.
Jigglypuff was missing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to see Jigglypuff too.
It's gone.
Yeah, which one was your favorite?
2 Pikachus.
The 2 Pikachus were your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool too, huh?
Yeah.
Alrighty, well, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe. Until next time, make sure you give this video a thumbs